Hi Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy reading for the month of July 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay, Gemini, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy on your soulmate or twin flame connection for the month of July 2021. Also, Gemini, please know that this is a collective general energy reading. Therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Gemini, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. So let's look at into your person energy here, Gemini. Okay, so on this side here, Gemini, is your energy, and then on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Looking at the sign that I'm getting coming up for you here, Gemini, I'm getting a very strong earth energy, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. I'm also getting a very strong water energy coming up here as well, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, as well as air energy, Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Now, looking at your energy here, Gemini, I've got the Four of Swords, I've got the Ace of Pentacles, and then I've got the Nine of Pentacles coming up here. So let me start with this Nine of Pentacles energy comes in here for you, Gemini. The first thing that I'm getting coming up for you here is that something related to finances coming up here, financial stability, just like money or career related situation here is what I'm getting. So I feel like with this Nine of Pentacles energy, I feel like you have come to a particular decision, or you are soon going to come to this particular decision, that your focus at this point of time here is going to be on your finances or going to be on your career related situation here, Gemini. Especially with this Nine of Pentacles energy here, it's like you want to build up a stability within yourself. It's like you want to make sure that you reach a certain goal or a certain milestone in your life, especially when it comes into related to your finances or related to your career situation here, which I've got with this Ace of Pentacles energy. You are also going to come into those opportunities here as well. Now, coming to the connection that I've got coming up for you here, Gemini, with this Four of Swords energy here, this is like you have decided to just like take a break from everything here, because this Four of Swords energy here, I feel like even though you are trying to put your energy onto your work or onto your financial related situation here, the Four of Swords energy comes up is that there is also a little bit of pain and burden that I'm sensing coming up from you here as well, Gemini. It's like I feel like you have come, I won't say that you have given up here. It's like you just like have come to a particular realization, I would say here, that you couldn't be in control of all of this situation. And I feel like you have come to that acceptance energy here as well, Gemini, that okay, maybe sometimes like only times can give you the answer. I feel like this is the time that you have come to that realization, and you've come to that particular acceptance energy here, that as much as you are ready for the union to happen between both of you, as much as you are ready for this separation to just end between both of you here, Gemini, I feel like your person is also someone that needs to go through the challenges, someone who's actually need to go through the changes and healing and transform themselves to be the person that they're supposed to be with you here, to be a person that you actually deserve here. So I feel like you have come to that particular realization that there is no point for you to rush it, and there's no point for you here to even like push your person, because sometimes it's that you can only guide a horse to a certain lake or river, but you cannot make the horse to drink the water. So I feel like you've actually already come into that particular realization and just come into that particular acceptance energy, that yes, this is what's supposed to happen. I'm just going to focus on myself here, and then the rest is just going to happen as it's supposed to happen here. And then I've also got the Four of Wands energy comes in here as well, Gemini. So even though you have decided to put your energy into your work or into your financial related situation, this does not change the fact that the union and the reconciliation is definitely going to happen between both of you here, especially with this Four of Wands energy. Now let's look at into your person energy here, Gemini. I've got the Five of Swords, I've got the Six of Cups, and then I've also got the World Tree energy comes in here. Now for your person energy here, Gemini, I feel like they have come to that particular realization here as well, that no matter what had happened between both of you, they couldn't stop thinking about you, I would say here. So they actually already come to that acceptance here as well. They are accepting the fact that they are accepting the fact that they couldn't stop thinking about you here, and there is definitely some sort of like a connection going on between both of you here. As much as they don't want to accept that, or as much as they are trying to deny it, I feel like they have come to that particular position now that they are no longer denying the soul connection that both of you have here, Gemini. So coming to this, the World energy and the Five of Swords energy here, I'm also getting a very strong feeling defeated coming up from your person here as well, Gemini. I feel like for some reason here they are quite feeling defeated with the current situation that they're currently in, be it a third party situation, or be it any karmic contract or karmic situation that they're currently stuck within themselves here. So with this World energy comes in here is that they also have come to that particular realization here, which is basically telling them that they can no longer tolerate being stuck and being defeated within that certain situation. And I feel like this is more of the realization for them here, is that the longer that they just like keep themselves into a certain karmic situation or into a certain third party situation here, with this Five of Pentacles energy, they're just going to feel hopeless. They're just going to feel like being left out in the cold. They're the ones actually suffering. So they've come to that realization here as well, and this realization is what going to push them to end whatever third party situation or to end whatever karmic situation that they are currently going through at this time here. And the moment that situation comes to the end here, with the Six of Cups energy, they're definitely going to come running back towards you here. This is what I've got with the union and the reconciliation that's definitely going to happen between both of you here, no doubt. And then looking at the channel messages that I've got coming up for you here, I've got I love you, and then I've also got will you marry me coming up here as well. So this is exactly how they feel towards you here. So they are like I said before, they are accepting the fact here that there is a soul connection between both of you here, and they are no longer denying that. They are no longer denying their feelings and the emotion towards you. They are actually accepting the love that they have for you here, Gemini. And then I've also got will you marry me comes in here as well. So they're also going to come towards you. Like I said, with this union energy here, they're definitely going to come and marrying you here as well. So that's it for your reading here, Gemini, for the month of July on your soulmate and twin flame connection. If this reading resonates with you, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.